This is going to be a quick video about how to group or link sheets, and then how to use cell references to pull information from other sheets within a document. So here is Hargis Cleaning Company's monthly sales, and I know that every month my data I need to pull for this cleaning company is basically going to look the same. So May, June, July, etc. It's all going to be this same format where I'm figuring out total sales, and I'm going to have some information up here as well. So I'm going to consider this a template, and I'm going to go ahead and go down, right click, and say move or copy, and I'm going to create a copy. So now I have two worksheets, right? And this one I'm going to go ahead and name April, and then I'm going to come down here, oops, come down here, double click, and I'm going to rename this April as well. So now I have two worksheets. One is May, one is April. Then, because I know that I need total sales for each each worksheet, and then I also are going to need some information up here, what I'm going to do is what's called group, or you can call it link, these two worksheets together. And so I can see that the April one's engaged because it's green and it has the underline green there. Now I'm going to hit shift and then click May. Now they both have the green underneath, and so that tells me they're grouped. And so then whatever I do in terms of formulas in this worksheet, it's also going to do it in May. So let's go ahead and enter total sales. So the formula using a function is product. And I'm going to drag that down. And it's populated it. I'm also going to quickly format that. And I'm going to do some other thing as well. I need the actual grand total sales as well. So I'm going to put the total sales for the month right up here. I'm going to use the auto sum shortcut. And there I have the total sales for the month of April. And so now I'm going to unengage these, so that's just click on the other sheet, and now I have two different sheets, and you can see that both things were done to both. And right now I'm just going to quickly make some changes so that the numbers are actually different. Okay. And so now you can see that we have May is 52,000 and April was 92,000. Oh, interesting. And I was able to save some time and be really efficient because I grouped them together and I did the formulas together. Now here's another thing you can do, cell references. So let's say I want to keep track of the months prior. So I put April. Now I could go look on the April one, see the number, and then go back here and type it in. But again, I want to use Excel as efficiently as possible. So instead I'm going to reference the cell that the April month is telling me the total month. So I'm going to hit the equal sign. I'm going to go to the April tab, click on that cell, and hit enter. And see, it automatically pulls it in for me. So I don't have to type it. And if we look at that cell, you can see in the formula bar it's saying equal sign April exclamation point. So that's saying that's the worksheet you're getting it from, and it is cell B3. And the reason why we do that is if I go back to April, and let's say I realize, oh, the price wasn't that on this item, and I change the price, see how it automatically changes it here, automatically changes it there, and then it will also automatically change it here because we're using cell references in the document. And that's how you want to most effectively use Excel, is think about what can you be linking together so that if one thing changes on one worksheet, it changes on all. Or how can you utilize the worksheets in the most efficient way to get information in a really smooth lined way. Additionally, just want to remind you, always spell check, because if you look right here, this is spelled incorrectly, and so when I go to spelling, it's going to tell me I need to change it. And so that's just a reminder that in Excel, you never have that little red line that's telling you something's misspelled. So please be sure to always spell check.